White House apartment by Flavia Torres Arquitetura in São Paulo, Brazil. In the renovation of this 150 square meters apartment, located in the Jardins neighborhood in São Paulo, the clients were willing to give up one of the 3 bedrooms to expand the social area of the house. However, when doing the structural prospecting, a sequence of linear concrete pillars was found, which prevented this expansion from taking place. The solution was to embrace and value this structure instead, seeking to integrate the 2 spaces created by it in the social area. The creation of a transversal element to the pillars was very important for this. A metallic bookcase was proposed, which, besides its function of storing objects, organizes the access to the other rooms of the house and adds value to the existing concrete structure. The original floor of the apartment is made of 2 types of wood, which gives it a distinguished personality. It also plays an important role in the integration between the 2 sides of the structure, since it was complemented throughout the extension of the living room to maintain unity, a meticulous carpentry service, done with great care during the construction. Finally, with the objective of giving privacy to the TV room, a second metallic shelf was created parallel to the first, but smaller. This one, at the same time, separates these spaces whilst allowing light and ventilation to enter the dining room.